Guys, welcome back to the Gloss University channel. Today, David and I are going to be unboxing these tools as we add them to the Gloss University arsenal. Are you ready, Dave?
Yeah, I'm stoked. We got the brand new Liquid Elements tools from Levi and Brian, and these are the economy tools, so a little bit lower price point, but everybody talks about how great they are, and we are going to continue doing our tool review videos and evaluation. So we got these tools, and we got a bunch more that we're going to do on the YouTube channel. So
check it out. One of the things I'm excited about with this, here at Gloss University, we have a lot of in-person trainings, and one of the value adds that we provide is being able to use a bunch of different types of tools. When we're working on a project and you're here training with us, it allows you, the technician, to practice with these tools to see if there's some amenities or things that you enjoy about these tools. So there's never enough tools, and it's always nice to get your hands on something new. So what do we got here, Dave?
These are the T4200 Liquid Elements tools, and I think one of the cool things is they come with a bag.
Yeah, I like the packaging already. That's kind of cool.
Super cool. They have a detachable cord, which I think is pretty cool. There's a couple machines on the market that have it, but not all of them.
I definitely like the packaging though.
Yeah.
And I didn't know, I haven't watched enough of these videos on the internet to see what people are saying good, bad, or indifferent about these tools.
You know, I've only heard good things. I haven't heard much bad stuff about these tools. They've been a little bit more popular globally than they have in the US, but they are now here in the US. And they have a couple good guys that have been in the industry a long time representing the brand. You got Levi Gates, he's been around for a long time, and then you got Brian Guy, who's kind of an OG when it comes to old school blogging and forums back in the day with AO wheels.
You know what I just realized right now while we're doing this?
Huh.
This is like the first time that we've gotten a duplicate of something where you and I are unboxing them in unison.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready for that on
That's
camera.
pretty cool.
Oh.
Dude, I already like the bag. Like the box, like the bag. So what do we got with the bag?
All right. I'm gonna try to make space here on the set so we can make sure we test these tools the right way.
Some instructions, some replacement pieces.
Dave, at first glance, I really like the bag.
Comes with a cord and a strap. Liquid Elements branded strap.
Cool little pockets here in the bag.
Yep, so this is a 15mm machine.
2 15s.
Yep.
Before I unbox mine, I just want to stop and first impressions. How does it feel in your hands?
It feels good. Feels solid. Feels heavy duty.
I want to try. Sweet. It definitely feels stout.
It feels
right
solid,
here.
yeah.
I'll be really curious to test these. So for you guys watching this video, one of the cool things that's going to happen is we need to get to paint correction on this GTO. And one of the previous videos, we talked about the sanding process on it. So kind of timed this perfectly to test these. So we're going to use these in real time when we're doing our paint correction on the GTO to just get a real overall first impressions and feel and see how they perform.
Yeah.
You know what this cord kind of reminds me of? It almost looks like the plug from like a griot's tool.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking the exact same thing.
But I think that's a nice feature because as much as I love the long cord, I feel like sometimes I've always wanted them to detach. So this is actually really nice because, you know.
Lock works good.
Yeah, when you're done with paint correction, you can coil up, set all this stuff in the bag.
I do like detachable cords.
Yeah. Well, it makes transporting the tool definitely a little easier. So stay with us, guys, on this video because we are going to be testing these things in real time.
Make sure you check out our YouTube video and see the full review of these plus more of our tools in the continuation of our tool review video.
Thanks for watching.